Ever feel like your bank account is slowly leaking money, and you can't quite put your finger on where it's all going? You meticulously budget, track your spending, and yet, somehow, those pesky little deductions chip away at your hard-earned cash. Well, you're not alone. In today's world of endless subscriptions and hidden fees, it's easier than ever for these silent financial vampires to drain your resources without you even realizing it. Think about it, that free trial you signed up for months ago and completely forgot about, the streaming service you barely use but keeps auto-renewing, or even those small, almost insignificant bank charges that add up over time. These seemingly minor expenses can collectively take a significant bite out of your finances. It's like a slow drip, drip, drip of money disappearing, and most of us are just too busy to constantly monitor every single transaction. This is where the power of technology can step in and act as your personal financial detective. Today, we're diving deep into a tool that's designed to do just that, uncover those hidden charges and help you reclaim your financial control. We're talking about Rocket Money. Now, you might have heard of Rocket Money before, perhaps through an ad or a friend's recommendation. But what exactly does it do? And more importantly, how does it actually find those hidden charges that are silently eroding your wealth? Let's pull back the curtain and explore the inner workings of this popular personal finance app. At its core, Rocket Money is a subscription and financial management app. It connects to your various financial accounts, your checking accounts, credit cards, savings accounts, and even investment accounts, to give you a holistic view of your financial landscape in one centralized platform. This aggregation of data is the first crucial step in its ability to identify hidden charges. Once you securely link your accounts, Rocket Money begins its analysis. It intelligently scans your transaction history, looking for recurring payments and patterns that might indicate unwanted or forgotten subscriptions and sneaky fees. This isn't just a simple keyword search. The app employs sophisticated algorithms to understand the context of your transactions. Let's break down the specific ways Rocket Money hunts down those elusive charges. 1. Subscription sleuthing. This is arguably one of Rocket Money's most lauded features. In today's subscription-heavy world, it's incredibly easy to lose track of all the services you're signed up for. From streaming platforms and software subscriptions to gym memberships and various online services, the monthly or annual charges can quickly accumulate. Rocket Money automatically identifies these recurring payments by analyzing the transaction descriptions and frequencies. It presents you with a clear list of all your active subscriptions, often categorizing them for better visibility. This allows you to easily see exactly where your money is going each month in terms of subscriptions. The real magic happens when you realize you're paying for a service you no longer use or even remember signing up for. Rocket Money makes it incredibly simple to cancel these unwanted subscriptions directly from within the app in many cases. For services that require manual cancellation, it provides you with the necessary information and steps to take. This feature alone can save users a significant amount of money each year by eliminating those forgotten monthly drains. 2. Fee detection. Beyond subscriptions, Rocket Money also keeps an eye out for various bank and credit card fees that might be lurking in your statements. These can include things like overdraft fees, monthly maintenance fees, ATM fees from out-of-network withdrawals, late payment fees, and even foreign transaction fees. The app analyzes your transaction history for keywords and patterns associated with these types of charges. While it might not be able to automatically get these fees refunded in all cases, it brings them to your attention, allowing you to understand where you're being charged extra. This awareness can empower you to make changes in your banking habits to avoid these fees in the future, such as setting up low balance alerts or using in-network ATMs. 3. Bill negotiation. This is another powerful feature that sets Rocket Money apart. Recognizing that many people overpay for recurring bills like internet, phone, and cable, Rocket Money offers a bill negotiation service. Here's how it works. You can authorize Rocket Money to analyze your bills. The team of negotiators then contacts your service providers on your behalf to try and secure a lower rate. They leverage their expertise and knowledge of typical pricing to potentially save you money without you having to spend hours on the phone haggling. If they successfully negotiate a lower bill, they typically take a percentage of the savings as their fee. This can be a hands-off way to reduce your monthly expenses without the hassle. 4. Spending insights and budgeting tools. While not directly focused on finding hidden charges, Rocket Money's spending insights and budgeting tools indirectly help you identify areas where your money might be going unnoticed. By categorizing your transactions and providing visual breakdowns of your spending habits, you can gain a clearer picture of where your money is flowing. You might discover that you're spending more than you realized on certain categories, like dining out or entertainment, which could be considered hidden in the sense that you weren't fully aware of the extent of the expense. The app also allows you to set budgets for different spending categories and track your progress, helping you stay on top of your finances and prevent those small, seemingly insignificant purchases from adding up to a significant drain. 5. Financial health monitoring. Rocket Money often provides an overall financial health score or assessment based on your linked accounts. This can highlight areas where you might be overspending or incurring unnecessary charges, offering proactive insights to improve your financial well-being. The process in action. So, how does this all come together in a user-friendly way? Once you've created an account and securely linked your financial institutions, Rocket Money goes to work in the background. You'll typically see a dashboard that provides an overview of your financial situation, including your subscriptions, spending habits, and any identified fees. The app will often present you with actionable insights, such as you have 5 active subscriptions or you incurred $15 in ATM fees last month. You can then delve deeper into each category to see the specifics and take appropriate action, whether it's canceling a subscription, setting up fee alerts with your bank, or exploring bill negotiation options. Is Rocket Money secure? Security is a paramount concern when dealing with financial data. Rocket Money employs industry-standard security measures, including encryption and secure data storage, to protect your information. They typically use Plaid, a reputable third-party service, to securely connect to your bank accounts. It's always wise to review their privacy policy and security practices to ensure you're comfortable with how your data is handled. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.